Dear students, in this module we will discuss Pythagorean triplets and different methods to find square of a number. Let 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 are Pythagorean triplets. If 2m square plus m square minus 1 whole square is equal to m square plus 1 whole square, then the numbers will be Pythagorean triplets. To understand this, let us take the example of the numbers 3, 4 and 5. We know that 5 is the largest one, so leave it alone. The sum of squares of 3 and 4 is equal to 25 and 25 is equal to 5 square means equal to the square of the third number. It means 3, 4 and 5 are Pythagorean triplets. Now let us talk about some important properties of squares, and they are 1. The numbers with unit digit 0, 1, 5 or 6 always give the same unit digit respectively on squaring, because we know that 0 0 is a 0, 1 1 is a 1, 5 5 is a 25, again we are getting 5, 6 6 is a 36 and we are getting again 6. If the unit digit of any number is 9, then the unit digit of the square of its number is always 1, because 9 9 is 81 and 81 has 1 at its ones place. If the unit digit of any number is 2, then the square will have 4 at its unit place. Moving to next property, property number 4, which is if the unit digit of any number is 3 or 7, then the unit digit of the square of its number is always 9, because 3 3 is a 9 and 7 7 is a 49. Both have 9 at its unit place. If the unit digit of any number is 4 or 6, then the unit digit of the square of its number is always 6. 2, 3, 7 and 8 never appear at unit digit in the square of a number. And now we will discuss diagonal method and column method for squaring the numbers. Now let us find square of 328 by using diagonal method. In this, first of all, we are to make a square grid of size 3 by 3, means 3 columns and 3 rows. Then make diagonal in each box. On upper side, write on extreme left 3, 2 in middle and 8 in extreme right column. Similarly, on the left side, 3 on the topmost row, 2 in front of middle row and 8 in last row. Then multiply 3 by 3 and we get 9. 9 means 0 9. Here 0 is at 10th position and 9 is at 1's position. So 9 will be below the diagonal and 0 in the upper side. In the same way, 3 2 is 6. So 0 on the upper side and 6 below diagonal. 3 8 is 24, 2 upper side and 4 below the diagonal. In the same way, you are to multiply 2 by 3, then 2 by 2, then 2 by 8. And after that, multiply 8 by 3, you will get 24. 8 2 is 16, write like this. 8 8 is 64, write like this. After doing this, what we are to do? You can see different colored portions in the square grid. First of all, start from the right side, means this gray portion. Only 4 we have in this portion, so write it here. Now in the next one, 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 18, right? Then from the orange portion, we get 14. From the red portion, after adding the digits, we get 16. From the green portion, after addition, we get 9. And from the black portion, we are having 0. Now what to do? Underline unit digit and start from the right side. 4 is underlined. In 18, 8 is at unit place, so underline it. And add 1 in the next portion, means in 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. Underline 5 and add 1 to 16, you will get 17. Underline 7, add 1 to 9, you will get 10. Underline 0 and add 1 to the last 0 and you will get 1. Now write the answer, which are underlined 1, 0, 7, 5, 8 and 4. So 328 square is 10,07,584. And you can check this by using calculator also. You will get the same answer. And now we will discuss column method to find square of a number. Let the number is 47, means we are to find 47 square. Digit at ones place 7, let this digit is B, and digit at tens place 4, and let this is A. Now here we are to draw 3 columns and 2 rows as shown in the figure. Then find out A square. A is 4, so 4 square is 16. B is 7, so B square is 7 7 ja 49. 2AB is 56. Now write all these numbers as shown in the figure. Start from the B square column. Underline 9 and add 4 in 56 and get 60. Now underline 0 because 0 is at unit place and add 6 to 16. You will get 22. Now underline both of these. Now the answer is take all the underlined digits. So answer is take 2, 2, 0 and 9. So 47 square is 2209. In next module, we will find square roots of a number.